Greetings, Dave Dickinson here from AstroGuys.com, and I thought I would show you a very nifty simulation that I'm doing of the Passage of Asteroid 1998 QE2. Not the ship, not the Queen Elizabeth, but the near-Earth asteroid that is 1.6 kilometers in diameter and is passing near Earth on the last day of May 31st, 2013. This asteroid is no threat to Earth. It's not even passing as close as the Moon. It's passing about 15 lunar diameters away, about 3.7 million miles from the Earth. It's about 1.6 kilometers in diameter, but we're actually going to be able to see it if you're at a fairly southern latitude, and some of the low latitudes up north are going to be able to see it as well. It's going to be passing, it's currently in the constellation Centaurus. It's going to be transiting into the constellation Hydra, and it's going to be in the constellation Libra. It's going to be passing in the constellation Libra on the day of its closest approach. Now it's going to be passing near some interesting objects. It's going to be passing very near Messier 83, the galaxy M83. It's going to be passing near the bright stars Pi Hydra, Gamma Hydrae, and Iota Centauri. So it's going to be interesting. Those are going to serve as kind of guideposts. This asteroid's not going to be much brighter than 10th to 11th magnitude, which means it's got to be out of the range of the naked eye, out of the range of binoculars. You're going to be able to see it from a dark sky site with a telescope, and the trick to seeing it is probably going to be, remember Toutatis, asteroid Toutatis that passed a few years ago. The way I spotted it is I sketched the field at low power, sketched where all the stars were in position, and about 5 or 10 minutes later sketched the field again. And if you have the high-tech photography equipment, you'll want to do stills of the area, and you'll probably be able to get a good little stop-motion GIF animation of it. At its closest approach, it's going to be moving about 1 degree every 3 hours. Now that's going to equate to about 20 arc minutes, 2/3 the size of a full moon. In 1 hour, 1 arc minute every 3 minutes, down to about 1 arc second every 3 seconds. So it's not quite moving fast enough that you'll be able to see that motion. Its maximum parallax it's going to show from the Earth is going to be about 7.32 arc minutes from one side of the Earth's diameter to the other. So a fair amount of parallax, but not as much as, say, DA14 that passed earlier this year that showed a wide amount of parallax, and people were seeing it from vastly different positions as it was moving by the Earth. The good thing is the moon reaches first quarter on the 31st, so that evening we won't have a full moon like we do this weekend right now, being the weekend of the 25th through 26th, flooding the view. But I thought it'd be interesting to look at this simulation, see where it's passing, and we're going to be writing up a post on how to find this. Arecibo is going to be pinging this with its gigantic radar to try to get a size and shape estimation and rotational speed. This is the closest approach of 1998 QE2 for this century, so it's definitely going to be worth taking a look at.